Hey guys, I came outside to do some embroidery and to enjoy the, positive energies of the sun. And I was sitting right there, and then I heard meowing coming from under there, and I just found this random cat. So I fed him because he was overheating and gave him water, and now he won't leave me alone. So the cat distribution system has found me, and I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna name him Pumpkin. So I've got this book that has 10 nature-themed projects, but it also explains the basic embroidery stitches. Since I'm doing a hat, I don't think I have enough room to do any of the projects, but I think I'm gonna make some little white stars on the side, and yeah, maybe so right here I'm thinking of doing some stars, and then maybe on this side I might do like a leaf, because there is a tutorial for a leaf in here. And yeah, I'll show you guys the result. Alright guys, we got our first little star done, and I'm hoping it stays because I do not know anything about tying off knots, but I tried to knot it off, so hopefully it stays. I'm gonna add like 2 or 3 more stars, and then I'll be done with this side. Alright, so I've done it with a tutorial, so now I'm gonna try and do it on my own to lock in the knowledge. Here's my little star. And now it's time for a by myself attempt. By myself attempt number 1. Okay, so definitely not perfect. Gonna retry. So before I went to the library, I decided to see how much it would cost to just print the photos at Walgreens. Well, I'm using an app called Picta X Walgreens. They also have a CVS one. And then I realized that it would be $10 to print 7 photos. So yeah, I just decided to go to the library. Hey guys, I just made it to the library. I'm gonna freshen up a bit before I go in because I rode my bike here, but here's the... Look at all the cute prizes. It's so cool. Would have loved this if I was a kid. Dragons. I have no clue if I'm allowed in here, but look at all the photos. I've been there. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here before I get in trouble. We are looking for the printers. This library is so big. I wasn't able to talk in here. Well, I was, but there was people in there, so I didn't. But I just wanted to show off all these books that were 25 cents. This is a really good movie. I might actually get this. All these magazines are 25 cents, and last time I was there, I found Vogue from 1987. This book is so pretty. It's $12. This one's pretty too. It has like a dark red inside cover. CDs for 25 cents. Oh, hell yeah. Oh yeah, 25 cents. Definitely taking that. This was only $2, and I thought it was really cool. It was a World Almanac from 1987, I think it said. It shows you all like the nations. It showed you the populations and the countries and stuff. It even had like lunar phases and weather. So I thought that was cool. You guys will not believe what I just found. My favorite movie and the sequel, but it's the original books for 50 cents. I didn't even know they had these. Dude, did I manifest this? No way. That's actually crazy. I'm so excited, but I have to whisper because I'm in a library. I got my pictures. They printed a little big, but I might be able to cut them to fit in my photo book. And look, they have a chess club. They also have a model toy club, but I don't care about that. Might low-key go to the next chess club. Or I might make my own club. You think anyone would join my club? Writers League. Might join that. Current Affairs Discussion Group. Huh. I might have to check some of these out. Hey guys, now that it's done, I figured I could give you guys a little flip through of what I have so far. This is just like a band flyer that I put in here. I'm gonna go to this show with somebody. This is a tree that me and my friend skipped school at. We carved our names into. Me and my friend and her brother swimming in a lake. Me in the lake. This was Memorial Day. That's me and my friends. This is me at an art show. Me and my friends skipping class. Oh yeah. Me and my friends in a canoe. And that's all I got so far. But there is 2 more pictures. This one I decided to put in a picture frame. And then over here, this photo was way too big to put anywhere else, so I just hung it up and I'm gonna get a frame for it. And then also, the library has a little, let me get it. The library has a little, like, bookstore of things that they're getting rid of. And I'm so happy. I want to show you guys what I got. This CD was 25 cents. This American poetry book was 50 cents. And look at the pretty gold bird. And it's a massive poetry collection. And then these 2 beauties that I showed you earlier. So happy. So that stuff I just showed you was $1, and then to print out 9 photos in color was $2.35. So all this stuff I got, $3.35, which is a steal. I think today was a pretty good day. I have a date tomorrow at 2 p.m. so I think I'm gonna do a little vlog for you guys. Yeah.